Eggplant is not just the most perverted emoji there is. We're making a delicious recipe with this. All we gotta do is start by cutting this fucker right in half. That's it. Then we're gonna make some slits right down it. Now, this was one of my most requested recipes here via TikTok Live. I did this on a TikTok Live. We're drizzling this with some olive oil. And then we're gonna salt it up just a little bit, give it an assaulting. We're going to assault it, and then some pecker, some fresh ground pecker, my friends. And we're just going to slap that into this casserole dish. Casserole! And then we're going to cut up an onion. Yeah, I know, it's real tough shit here. It's super hard to cook for yourself. We're just gonna haphazardly cut this fucker up. It doesn't really matter. We're just gonna roast it and then blitz it after. This is just some fresh garlic. Just gonna peel that shit and give it a quick mash in here. And then we're just gonna give that a little bit of Earl, toss it all around. This would probably be a little bit easier in the casserole dish, but hey, I like to do things the hard way. Then we're going to open a can of tomatoes because I don't have any fresh tomatoes. It's okay to use canned tomatoes. You know, they're still tomatoes. They're just gonna be a little bit different. I did have to add half a cup of water to this because I didn't have fresh tomatoes and all of their beautiful juices, but I didn't put that in the filming here, so just add about half a cup of water or so, okay? And I also added a few chili flakes, which you didn't see here because I completely forgot to add those on camera. And then we're going to put some more oil in here because you can never have enough olive oil. That shit is absolutely delicious. We're gonna pop this into an oven, roughly 375 degrees. Doesn't really matter on the temperature too much. And we're gonna let that fucker sit in there for about an hour and a half or so until it looks like this. Doesn't this look fucking delicious already? I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to eat this? This looks absolutely amazing. Best way to have eggplant, I'm telling you. Fuck the what is it? The eggplant parmesan. Screw that. Go with this. Then we're gonna put all of this shit into the food processor. That's the hardest word to say, food processor. Then we're gonna blitz it up. This is literally all the time it took to blitz this up. I didn't do anything else off camera. This right here, what you see, is what we did, because if you do any more, you're going to end up with a drink. It's going to be tomato juice. Then you just put it onto some bread or onto some pasta. I just like to eat it like this, on some bread. It's absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite spreads for bread. I'm telling you, you can't beat this. You make this, you bring this to a party, everybody is going to ask you how you made it, and all you had to do was toss it in the oven and fucking forget about it for an hour and a half.